Morning, Hannah. Morning, Deanna. Morning, Nakia. Morning, Abby. Hello, Dime. Hi, Abby. Morning, Andrea. So here are some really bad jokes today. Really bad. Morning, Bishop. I have an EpiPen. My friend gave it to me when he was dying. It seemed very important to him that I have it. How did the hipster burn his mouth? He ate the pizza before it was cool. What's the difference between an oral thermometer and a rectal thermometer? The taste. Morning, Victoria. I waited and stayed up all night and tried to figure out where the sun was. Then it dawned on me. Morning, Donovan. What's red and moves up and down? A tomato in an elevator. Good morning, Donovan. Good morning, Javion. Good morning, Zayden. I bought the world's worst thesaurus yesterday. Not only is it terrible, but it's terrible. How did the blonde die ice fishing? She was hit by the Zamboni. What's a pirate's favorite letter? You might think it's the R, but it's actually the C. Morning, Crystal.
Good morning, Mr. Ward.
Good morning. What did the green grape say to the purple grape? Oh my God, breathe, breathe. Never criticize someone until you've walked a mile in their shoes. That way, when you criticize them, you'll be a mile away from them and you'll have their shoes. What do Alexander the Great and Winnie the Pooh have in common? The same middle name. I couldn't believe that the highway department called my dad a thief, but when I got home, all the signs were there. My grandfather died peacefully in his sleep, not screaming like the passengers in his car. Yeah. Mackenzie, welcome back.
That one was a little dark.
Yeah, a little dark. You came in just in time for the one dark joke I had. The others were hysterical. You all right there, Swan? Haven't seen you in a little while.
Yeah, just been oversleeping.
Oversleeping, huh? All right, you got some catching up to do, girlfriend.
I know.
All right. Morning, Walter. All righty. Let's say we do some easy stuff today. All right. Morning, Lindsay. So we're going to do some simplifying of polynomials. We've pretty much kind of done this already, but we're going to do this because it's really combining like terms, but this time we're going to use exponents. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start just by taking away the parentheses here. When you have a minus, you have to change the signs of all of the signs inside the parentheses. Okay, meaning you don't change these signs, you still got 4x squared plus 8x minus 9. Then it's minus 6x to the third minus 3x squared plus x plus 11. All right, so now we're just going to do some combining of like terms. And we're going to put this in what's called descending order. Descending order means highest exponent to lowest exponent. So we're going to start with the x to the third. So we've got negative 6x to the third Then we do the squared ones. We got 4x squared minus 3x squared is plus 1x squared. I'm just going to write plus x squared. Then you have the x. 8x plus x is plus 9x. Then you have the number. -9 plus 11 makes plus 2. Easy. Can I have a thumbs up if we're good, please? Everyone okay with that? Thank you, Jaden Harris. Good morning, Jaden Harris. Hannah, good, thank you. Nakia, thank you. Deanna, Donovan, Victoria, Andrea, Crystal, Anaya, Mackenzie, Leonard, Walter, Donovan, Chase, thank you. All right, all right, all right. Let's do one more like this. One more time, I have a minus right here, so I'm going to change all the signs in the parentheses after the minus. 6x squared plus 9x minus 7 minus 8x to the third minus 5x squared plus x plus 13. Once again, descending order. Start with the x to the third. Okay, negative 8x to the third. Then the squareds. 6x squared minus 5x squared is plus 1x squared. I'm just going to write x squared. Then the x's. Plus 9x plus x is plus 10x. And then the number, -7 plus 13 makes plus 6. And by the way, of course, there's no more you can do with that. You can't combine x to the third and x squared. You could multiply, but not add. Okay. One more time, can I have another thumbs up if we're still good? Thank you, Hannah, Diamond, Mackenzie, Bishop, Deanna, Crystal, Dime, Andrea, Javion, Walter, Anaya, Lindsay, thank you. Thank you. All right. Giovanni, good morning. Chase, good morning. Leonard, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. All right. All right. Now, next, I wish to apologize for what I'm about to do to you next. This problem is not nice. This problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 of these, today's assignment, and then you're never going to see it again. All right. I apologize. This is doing too much. I don't like it. I'm not happy that they give it to you. It's stupid. And it makes me sad. So it's one of those things. Got to show you. I'm going to have you do it one time. Actually, twice. There are 2 problems in today's assignment you have to do like this. All right. It's not hard. It's the problem itself is easy, but it's just forever. It takes a long time. It's annoying, and I'm sorry. All right. So 3x minus 8 to the third power is 3x minus 8 times 3x minus 8 times 3x minus 8. Okay. First, I'm going to do just the first 2 3x minus 8s. All right. So I got 3x minus 8 times 3x minus 8. I'm going to do FOIL. Remember FOIL? First, outer, inner, last. First, 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Outer, 3x times negative 8, negative 24x. Negative 8 times 3x, negative 24x. Add them together, negative 48x. Last, negative 8 times negative 8, positive 64. Now we take this whole mess times one more 3x minus 8. Okay, so what is happening here? Well, we're double distributing. What? Yeah. 3x times 9x squared minus 48x plus 64 minus 8 times 9x squared minus 48x plus 64, right? In other words, we're taking this guy times these three, and then this guy times all three, right? Okay. Annoying. I know. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. 3x times 9x squared gives me 27x to the third minus 48 times 3 is 144. Hold on, let me just double check. 48 times 3. Use your calculator. 144 x squared plus 3x times 64, 192x. Negative 8 times 9 is negative 72x squared. And then negative times a negative is a plus, right? 8 times 48, I have no idea what that is. 384x, and then negative 8 times 64, negative 512. Combine like terms. 27x to the third. Then you do the x squareds. Negative 144x squared, negative 72x squared. Two negatives make a bigger negative when you're adding. So 144 plus 72 is 216. Negative 216x squared. 192x, 384x. 192 plus 384 is 576. 576x minus 512. Seriously, that was annoying. Doing too much. After today, never again. Scout's honor. Okay. I mean, seriously, that's just No, no, no. So I'm going to do it one more time. Well, let me just make sure. Is everyone okay with how I did that? Are we good? You understand how the problem works? Can I have a thumbs up, please? Dime, thank you. Walter, Hannah, Bishop, thank you. Nakia, Javion, Lindsay, Deanna, Chase, Andrea, thank you. Chase, thank you. Lindsay, thank you. Donovan, thank you. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Next. All right. Four x minus 6. You know, I'm sorry. I don't know what is wrong with my stylus, my writing utensil here. 4x minus 6, 4x minus 6, 4x minus 6. I'm going to do the first two. All right. 4x minus 6 times 4x minus 6. Excuse me, my OCD is kicking in now. All right. Here we go. 4x times 4x, 16x squared. Oh, wait a minute. I need to write this lower. 16x squared. Outer, negative 24x. Inner, negative 24x. Combine, negative 48x. Last, negative 6 times negative 6 plus 36. Now, take this mess times one more. Four x minus 6. All right. So we got 4x times 16x squared minus 48x plus 36. Minus 6 times 16x squared minus 48x plus 36. All right. Distribute. Yum. 4 times 16, 64x to the third. 4 times 48 is 142. Hold on. 4 times 48. 192. Yeah. 192x squared. 4 times 36. 144x. Minus 6 times 16, minus 96x squared. Minus 6 times minus 48 plus 288x. And minus 6 times 36, minus 216. Combine like terms. 64x to the third. Minus 192x squared minus 96x squared. 192 plus 96 is 288. Negative 288x squared. 144 plus 288. 144 plus 288 on the calculator, plus 432. X minus 216. Whew. I hope that at least when you get to these two problems in your Delta Math today, that they don't give you to the fourth power. Oh my God. Hopefully it's just to the third. All right. So I don't know why I have this problem here and this problem here. It's the same shiznizle. This time you don't even have to change the sign, right? Because it's plus. So now we're going to go to something I actually like. This is a nice little puzzle here. I like this. Sorry. I know. Weiss, you're weird. You're a math teacher. I don't know. It's not like I stay here and I after I log off with you guys, I go and I do more of these problems. I don't do that. That's not like stuff that I enjoy. However, here we're going to factor reverse FOIL. Remember? Do you remember the time we fell in love? Do you remember the time we first met? Okay. What times what is x squared? X times x. What times what makes negative 22 that added together makes plus 9? That's going to be plus 11 minus 2, right? And then we do the same shiznizle on the bottom, which is x plus 11, x minus 11. Now, what cancels? The x plus 11s cancel. What am I left with? X minus 2 over x minus 11. Do not try to cancel the x's. That you can't do. If I had 2x over 11x, where it's multiplied, then you could cancel the x's, yes. But not when there's a plus or a minus in between, okay? Pretend for a moment that x equaled 12. If x was 12, then you'd have 12 minus 2 over 12 minus 11, right? Now, if you cancel the 12s, you're telling me that it's 2 over 11. But otherwise, then you'd be telling me, see, 12 minus 2 is 10. 12 minus 11 is 1. Is 10 over 1 the same as 2 over 11? I don't think so. Anyway, do not cancel the x's here if there's a plus or a minus. You could do it only if if it's times. All right, I skipped one here. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. X times x is x squared. What times what makes negative 21 that added together makes negative 4? Plus 7 minus 3. X squared minus 9 is x plus 3, x minus 3. Now what cancels? The x minus 3's. Answer, x plus 7 over x plus 3. Boom. Can I have a thumbs up if we're good there? Thank you, Javion. Walter, thank you. Chase, Diamond, Deanna, thank you. Hannah, thank you. Lindsay, Nakia. Andrea, thank you. Giovanni, thank you. Good morning, Giovanni. Lindsay, thank you. All right, all right, all right. All right. All right. Same shiznizzle here. X times x is x squared. What times what makes negative 16 that added together makes a positive 6. Plus 8 minus 2. And then we got x plus 2, x minus 2. What cancels the x minus 2's? Answer, x plus 8 over x plus 2. Easy, man. Easy like Sunday morning. So anyone who feels like taking a picture of today's notes can go for it. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to do that if you like. All right. So here's what your first set will look like. Negative 5x plus 5. Remember, you're going to have minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 1, right? And you write it in descending order, which will look like negative 3x. Remember, you got to hit this little guy over here to get my squared. You can just hit the squared if you want. Then we're going to have negative 5x and plus 6x, which makes plus x. And then we're going to have 5 minus 1, or 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 6. Bada bing, bada boom, yes. Okay. Now, check this out, all right? This, got to be careful. I want to show you something. Okay. Come on. All right. If I say subtract 7 from 10. If I say subtract 7 from 10, would you agree that that is going to be 10 minus 7? All right, all right, all right. Okay. Subtract 7 from 10 is 10 minus 7. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that being the case, if it says subtract negative 2x squared minus 4x from 2x squared minus 2x minus 5, you have to do this, right? You have to do 2x squared minus 2x minus 5 first, then minus the negative 2x squared minus 4x. Okay, now you got to be careful, right? Because you got to do 2x squared minus 2x minus 5 plus 2x squared plus 4x, because you're changing the signs, right? And that gives you 4x squared minus 2x plus 4x is plus 2x minus 5. 4x squared. Sorry, what was it? Plus 2x plus 2x minus 5. Yes. All right. All right. So you should have no problem with this. You don't change the signs here, right? Don't change the signs here. Don't change the signs here. Do change the signs here, but you write the x squared minus 3 first, then minus parentheses, negative 7x squared plus 4x plus 2, close parentheses. Right. Okay, easy. Then the next one, all right, is this 3x plus 1 to the third. Ugh. At least you will likely have small numbers here, like 3 and 1. That's at least the pleasant part. Sorry. What I hope is that you won't have to do this to the fourth. This is nice, to the third, okay? To the third, okay? Hopefully you'll have two problems that are like this, okay? Hopefully you don't have this. That's super duper annoying. This is better, all right? Okay, now, here is like what we just did, right? Let me do this. Okay. X squared plus x minus 20, isn't that x plus 5x minus 4, right? And then x squared minus 25 is x plus 5, x minus 5, right? What cancels? Answer, x minus 4 over x minus 5, right? And now don't forget, when you type your answer in, you got to hit the fraction bar first. Boom, fraction bar, which is next to the shift key, right? And I already forgot. X minus 4 over x minus 5. X minus 4 over x minus 5. Boom, shakalaka. Yes. All right. Now, what about this? This is interesting, and I'm going to show you why it's interesting. Mr. Weiss, this isn't interesting. It's math. What are you talking about interesting for? Oh, because, you know. X to the third minus 6x squared over x squared plus 2x minus 48. In this case, up here, what's common to both terms? Oh, I got to pull out what's common. What's common is the x squared. X squared. By the moon and the stars in the sky. I pull out an x squared from x to the third, and I'm left with x. I took out x squared from 6x squared. I'm left with just the 6. Then on the bottom, we've got x times x What times what makes negative 48? When you add them together, it gives you plus 2. That's going to be plus 8 minus 6. What cancels? Answer, x squared over x plus 8. Type your fraction bar. Boom. X squared. I need my little keyboard thing here so I can hit squared over x plus 8. It was x plus 8, right? Yes. Boom. Boom. What happened? Boom. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. All right, there we go. What else we got here? Same old, same old. This is just, right? 2 sets of parentheses on top, 2 sets of parentheses on the bottom, 1 cancels, put in your answer, right? Same, okay? Here you factor out x squared on the bottom, right? You'll be left with x minus 1 on the bottom. On top is x plus 1, x minus 1. All right. So now you are going to do your Delta Math assignment. Come on. All right. And if you have any questions, I'm going to sit here with you while you're doing your assignment. Go. And I'll be right back. 2 minutes. I still in class, but I'm getting you some nice hot beans. Figure out hands? All right. Okay, we're gonna hang those up. You might want to wear those, they'll be nice and warm. Yeah. Huh. No, I want you to finish hanging up your clothes and no, there's not too much, there's not much left. All right, get downstairs in 13 minutes. All right, it'll be 8:30. You'll eat your breakfast and do your multiplication table. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yes, Adriana. I know. Let's go. Get it done. I didn't say there's a little bit. I said, put your clothes away. Good Lord. Most of you know that I have a 9-year-old daughter. Now, she's giving me a headache today. Do you remember being 9 years old and giving your parents a headache? Does it get worse? Oh, now she's crying because I'm making her put her clothes away. Her clean clothes, she has to put them away. Nakia, yes, it gets worse. You're glad it gets worse. She said that she's glad it gets worse. Wait till you have kids. I'm gonna laugh at you. Oh, you won't have kids, huh? Okay. It depends on if they're gonna be good. Ay. Sometimes what, Mackenzie? Sometimes it's worse, but sometimes it's okay. Okay. By the way, for those of you who did not do quiz 7 by Wednesday, like I asked, all right, your interim grade is going to be ugly because you got a 0 for quiz 7. Okay, I told you it was going to be on your interim. Now, get it done, and I'll give you credit, and I'll put it in the grade book. All right. And when interims go out, you can just have your parents, you can show them your phone or whatever, your grade, and see that it's not as bad as it was today. But those of you who didn't do quiz 7, it hurt your grade bad. Okay. So, but do it. I'll give you credit for it. And yeah. Okay. Yes, Adriana. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. Okay. Yep. Mackenzie, I think spring sports may have a chance this year. Lacrosse, right?
I'm not counting on it because I don't want to get my hopes up, but I had a travel team for lacrosse, so
Okay.
I'm kind of straight on that.
All right. I'll be right back. Yes. With no extension beyond that. Do not say 840. So hustle, let's go. Check stereo. Anyone to the most? Yes. Yes. With blueberries? Yes. Yes, Adriana. I'm not. My students are getting their work done. You don't want to say hello? See, now you're getting shy.
Hi, Fred.
9 years old. I'm gonna get her. Yeah, grandma has the same paper.
And it's almost out. And the last time I saw it, it was full. Don't even. And this green is probably
Listen, obviously, I'm gonna punch you in the nose.
yeah.
Diamond, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Chase. Chase. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Don't put too much. That's not. I'm not muting myself. They can listen to me. Get out of here. You know what? If they stop it. Bye. Go to John.
No, I said
I'll bet you left your tea bottle upstairs.
the reason I want you because people can hear you when they're doing their assessment.
It's not an assessment, it's just assignment. Bishop. I think you left already. Okay.
He did.
Anaya. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Oh, really? Well, then at least finish it later, Bonnie. All right. All right, I'm gonna end the meeting. Make sure you finish your assignment before you go. All right. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.